But the trick here is that we need to use the advanced filters. So when I click on filters, you see we have a normal list. But if I just add in A or the C tag and look for this one and just add in C, it's going to search my whole database and not just my SOI people that I have pulled up. So I'm going to go to advanced up here at the top right corner. And advanced tags gives me the opportunity to say, search for everyone with the example contacts tag. And then I'm going to add another filter that says, and they have to have the tags that include the C. Let's see, C. We'll hit enter and we'll scroll down for our C tag. And we also want to include anybody with the K tag because once again, the group that we're tagging right now is my C and K group. And so we'll go back here, we'll search for K. There's my K tag. And now I'm going to hit apply. And then command pulls up everyone in this list that has a C or a K tag, because now once I have everybody in the C list, everybody in the K list, I'm just going to select all of them by hitting the button right next to the word name here. And then we're going to do the same tagging process. Actions, add tags. I'm going to search for it, C and K, and there it is. I select that tag and hit submit. And you saw some people already had that tag, but again, command will manage that for us. It's not going to duplicate any of the tags. And now our C and K list is complete.